everybody, welcome back to the Yuma Library YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a teacup bird feeder. For today's project you're going to need one teacup or coffee mug, some E6000 glue, one saucer, some twine, some tape, and some bird seed. So, the first step is to make sure that everything's clean and dry. And you're going to want to take the glue and we'll put it on the bottom side of the cup. Get enough to make it stick. That should be good. Put it on the plate. Then, so it stays in that spot, we're going to tape it. Using some scotch tape, tape it down. There. And we're going to let it dry overnight. Now that we've allowed the cup to dry overnight, it's ready to hang. Cut a length of twine and tie a knot. And then we can run it through the handle. Ready to hang. Put some bird seed. Add some birdseed to the cup and to the saucer, and it's ready to hang. While you wait for the birds to come, you can do further research from the local library. Finding Birds in Yuma, Arizona by Henry Detweiler, Birds in Your Backyard, A Bird Lover's Guide to Creating a Garden Sanctuary by Robert Dolezal, and 50 Common Birds in the Southwest by Richard Cunningham. Thank you for joining us, and subscribe to our channel.